just memorize words? Learn how to use them in a real conversation? Watch and learn.
At the supermarket.
Excuse me, could you help me find the cereal aisle?
Of course. The cereals are in aisle 5, near the dairy section.
Great, thank you. Do you know if there are any special offers on this week?
Yes, we have a discount on several brands of cereal, and there's a buy one get one free deal on oatmeal.
That sounds perfect. I'll check it out. Also, where can I find the fresh vegetables?
The produce section is just down this way, near the bakery.
Thanks again. I'm also looking for some spices, especially ground cumin.
Spices are in aisle 3, on the right-hand side.
Do you sell organic spices?
Yes, we have a small selection of organic spices right next to the regular ones.
That's exactly what I'm looking for. Finally, can you tell me where the checkout is?
The checkout counters are at the front of the store. If you need help carrying your groceries, just let me know.
Thanks for all your help today, Emily.
You're welcome, Mark. Have a great day.
Ordering food at a restaurant.
Good evening. Can I start you off with something to drink?
I'll have a lemonade, please.
And I'll take an iced tea, no sugar.
Great, I'll be right back with those. Have you had a chance to look at the menu yet?
Not really. What do you recommend? Anything special on the menu today?
We just added a grilled salmon dish that's been really popular, served with garlic butter and vegetables. Or, if you prefer something heartier, the steak is a classic.
Salmon sounds tempting, but I'm in the mood for something spicy. Any recommendations?
Oh, in that case, you might like our spicy shrimp pasta. It's got a nice kick to it with chili flakes and a creamy sauce.
Perfect. I'll go with that.
I'm trying to decide between the chicken Caesar salad and the salmon. Which one would you say is lighter?
The salad is definitely the lighter option, but the salmon isn't too heavy either. If you're in the mood for something fresh, the Caesar salad is always a good choice.
All right, I'll take the salad, then. Can I add grilled chicken to it?
Absolutely. Anything else you'd like to add or change?
Nope, I think we're all set.
Fantastic. I'll get that started for you.
After some time, Luis returns with the food.
Here we are, your shrimp pasta and Caesar salad with grilled chicken. Anything else I can get for you?
This looks great, thank you.
Same here, thanks. Oh, and maybe we'll take a look at the dessert menu after we finish.
Of course. Enjoy your meal, and I'll check back with you in a bit.
Job interview role play.
Thank you for coming in today, Rachel. Let's start by having you tell me a little about yourself.
Thank you for having me. I'm a recent graduate with a degree in marketing. I've interned at a digital marketing agency where I worked on social media campaigns and content creation. I'm passionate about creative storytelling and connecting with audiences.
That sounds interesting. Could you tell me about a project you worked on during your internship that you're particularly proud of?
Sure. I led a campaign for a local cafe to promote their new line of organic drinks. We used Instagram and Facebook ads to target local audiences, and within a month, we increased their social media engagement by 35%. It was a great learning experience.
Impressive. Now, how do you handle tight deadlines? This role can be quite fast-paced, especially during product launches.
I'm very organized, and I like to prioritize tasks based on their urgency. During my internship, I often had to juggle multiple projects at once. I made sure to keep a clear to-do list and communicate with my team to ensure we stayed on track.
Communication is key. Speaking of teams, how do you work in a collaborative environment?
I love working with teams. I believe brainstorming together leads to the best ideas. During group projects, I always make sure everyone's voice is heard, and I'm happy to take on leadership roles if needed.
That's great to hear. Lastly, why do you want to work with us specifically?
I've always admired your company's innovative approach to marketing, and I think my skills align perfectly with your needs. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to your team and learn from the experts here.
Thank you, Rachel. We'll be in touch soon regarding the next steps.
At the doctor's office.
Good morning, Jane. What brings you in today?
I've been feeling really tired lately, and I've had a bad cough for about a week now. I'm not sure what's going on.
I see. Have you had any other symptoms, fever, headaches, anything like that?
I've had a slight fever off and on, and sometimes I feel really achy, especially in the mornings.
All right, let me listen to your breathing. He checks her lungs with a stethoscope. Take a deep breath, and again. Okay. Your lungs sound a little congested. Have you been around anyone sick recently?
Not that I know of, but I do work with a lot of people, so it's possible.
It sounds like you might have a mild respiratory infection. I'm going to prescribe you some antibiotics to help clear it up. In the meantime, make sure to rest and drink plenty of fluids. Avoid cold drinks and try some herbal tea, it'll help with the cough.
Thanks, doctor. How long do you think it'll take to feel better?
You should start feeling better in a few days, but finish the full course of antibiotics even if you feel fine earlier. If your symptoms get worse or you develop a high fever, come back to see me.
Okay, I'll do that. Is there anything I should avoid?
Avoid strenuous activities for now. Just take it easy, and you should be back to normal soon. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call the clinic.
Thank you so much, Dr. Roberts. I'll follow your advice.
You're welcome, Jane. Take care and feel better soon.
Hotel reservation.
Hello? I'd like to make a reservation for a hotel room.
Sure, Michael. For what dates are you looking to book?
I need a room from the 15th to the 20th of this month.
Let me check our availability. Yes, we have rooms available. Would you like a single or double room?
A double room, please. Does the room come with breakfast?
Yes, all our double rooms include breakfast. Do you need parking?
Yes, I will need parking. Is there an extra charge for that?
No, parking is included with your room. Would you like to add a dinner option as well?
No, thank you. Just breakfast is fine. How much is the room per night?
It's $120 per night, including taxes.
That sounds good. I'd like to book it, please.
Certainly. Can I have your name and contact information for the reservation?
Yes. My name is Michael Smith, and my phone number is 551-234.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. I have booked your double room from the 15th to the 20th. We look forward to your stay.
Thank you, Rebecca. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Meeting a new neighbor.
Hi there. I'm James, I live next door. I just wanted to stop by and say welcome to the building.
Oh, hi. Thanks so much. I'm Laura. I just moved in yesterday. Still getting used to everything around here.
Yeah, it can take a while to settle in. How are you liking the place so far?
It's great. The apartment is nice and bright, and the neighborhood seems really quiet, which I love. Do you like living here?
I do. I've been here for about 3 years now. It's a pretty friendly community, and there's a nice park just a few blocks away if you like outdoor activities.
That sounds perfect. I love jogging in the mornings. Is the park big?
It's a good size. There's a jogging path that goes around a pond, plus some benches and a playground. It's a nice spot to relax or get some exercise.
I'll have to check it out this weekend. Do you know of any good coffee shops or restaurants nearby?
Absolutely. There's a fantastic coffee shop just down the street called Bean there. Great lattes and pastries. And if you're into Italian food, there's a restaurant around the corner called Giovanni's. Best pizza in town.
Sounds like I've got some exploring to do. Thanks for all the tips, James.
No problem at all. If you ever need anything or have questions about the area, feel free to knock on my door.
I'll definitely do that. It's nice to meet a friendly neighbor.
Likewise, Laura. Welcome again to the building.
Talking about travel plans.
So, David, I heard you're planning a trip. Where are you off to?
Yeah, I'm heading to Japan next month. I've always wanted to visit Tokyo.
That sounds amazing. What are you most excited about?
Honestly, everything. The food, the culture, the technology, it's all so different from what I'm used to. And of course, I want to see the cherry blossoms.
Oh, the cherry blossoms must be beautiful this time of year. Are you staying just in Tokyo, or are you exploring other cities?
I'm planning to spend a few days in Tokyo, then I'll take the bullet train to Kyoto. I've heard Kyoto is more traditional, with temples and gardens.
That sounds perfect. I've read that the temples in Kyoto are breathtaking. How long will you be there?
I'll be there for 2 weeks. It feels like a good amount of time to really explore without rushing.
Definitely. Have you already booked your flights and hotels?
Yeah, I got a great deal on the flights. I'll be flying direct from New York to Tokyo. As for hotels, I'm staying in a couple of different places. One of them is a traditional ryokan in Kyoto.
Oh wow, that's awesome. I've always wanted to stay in a ryokan. You'll get to experience a traditional Japanese inn with tatami floors and those amazing hot springs.
Exactly. That's what I'm most excited about in Kyoto. What about you? Any travel plans coming up?
I'm thinking of going to Italy this summer. I've been dreaming about visiting Rome and Florence for the art and history.
Italy is incredible. The food, the architecture. Have you been before?
No, it'll be my first time. I'm planning to spend at least a week in each city. I've already started learning some basic Italian phrases.
That's smart. It's always good to know a few phrases in the local language. You'll love Italy, it's such a romantic place.
I can't wait. Maybe after your Japan trip, you can give me some tips for traveling abroad.
Deal. And I want to hear all about Italy when you get back.
Making plans with friends.
Hey Michael, do you have any plans for this weekend?
Not yet. I'm free on Saturday. What do you have in mind?
I was thinking we could check out that new hiking trail by the lake. I've heard it's really scenic.
That sounds awesome. I've been meaning to get outside more. What time were you thinking?
How about meeting at 9 a.m.? That way, we can hike before it gets too hot.
Perfect. Should we bring snacks and water, or is there a place nearby to grab something?
I'd bring some water for sure. There's a little cafe near the trailhead where we can grab sandwiches after the hike.
Nice. I love that cafe. They make amazing avocado toast.
Exactly. It's the perfect post-hike treat. Do you think we'll need hiking boots, or are regular shoes okay?
The trail is pretty easy, so I think regular shoes should be fine. Have you hiked there before?
Nope, it'll be my first time. I've just seen pictures and it looks beautiful. There's even a waterfall halfway through.
A waterfall? I'm in. Let's make a day of it. After hiking, we could also head to the lake if you're up for it.
That sounds like a great plan. I'll bring a swimsuit just in case we decide to swim.
Perfect. Let's hope the weather stays nice. I'll check the forecast later today.
Good idea. I'll text you in the morning to confirm, but it looks like we're all set for a fun Saturday.
Can't wait. I'll see you bright and early.
Shopping for clothes.
Hi. I'm looking for a new dress for a party. Do you have any recommendations?
Absolutely. What kind of style are you thinking? Something casual or more formal?
Something in between. Not too fancy, but nice enough for a special occasion.
I've got just the thing. We have a lovely selection of dresses over here. Do you have a color in mind?
I was thinking something bright, maybe red or blue.
Great choice. Let me show you a few options. They walk over to the dress section. This red one is really popular. It's a wrap dress, so it's flattering on all body types.
I love the color. Do you have it in a medium?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. I'll take this one to the fitting room.
Emily tries on the dress and comes out to show Alex.
What do you think?
It looks great on you. The color really pops. How does it feel?
It's really comfortable, but I'm wondering if it's a little too long for me.
We also have a similar style in a shorter length, if you'd like to try that.
That might work better. Could I see the shorter one?
Of course. I'll grab it for you. Alex returns with the shorter dress.
This one feels perfect. I think I'll go with this.
Great choice. Would you like to check out our accessories? We have some cute earrings that would match the dress.
Sure, I'll take a look.
Right this way. They browse the accessories.
I'll take these earrings too. Thanks so much for your help, Alex.
Anytime. I'll meet you at the register when you're ready.
Airport check-in.
Hi, I need to check in for my flight to London.
Good morning, Ethan. Can I have your passport, please?
Here it is. Can I request an aisle seat?
Let me check the availability. Yes, I can give you an aisle seat.
Great, thank you. Do I need to pay for any checked bags?
Your ticket includes one checked bag. Do you have more than one?
Just one bag. How much does it weigh?
It's within the weight limit. You're all set with this one.
Perfect. Can you tell me where my gate is?
Your gate is 12. Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m.
Thank you. How long does it take to get to the gate?
It's about a 10-minute walk. You have plenty of time.
Great. Is there a meal on the flight?
Yes, there's a meal service. You can choose your meal on board.
That's good to know. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome, Ethan. Have a safe and pleasant flight.
Thanks for watching. Keep practicing.